Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to manage customer service and support for your Shopify store, ensuring smooth communication with your customers and improving their overall experience. First, set up multiple communication channels. Offer support through email, live chat, social media, and phone support. Shopify allows integration with various apps for live chat and email, so you can respond quickly. Multiple ways for customers to reach. You will improve their experience and increase satisfaction. Next, use automation tools to handle common questions. Shopify has built-in tools like chatbots and FAQ pages for instant answers. This reduces response times and helps customers get the information they need quickly. For more personalized support, organize customer inquiries efficiently. Categorize and prioritize support tickets so urgent issues are handled first. Shopify's apps can help you create a ticketing system, ensuring no issue goes unresolved and inquiries are directed to the right person. Another tip is to set expectations for response times. Be transparent about how long it will take to hear back from you. Respond to inquiries within 24 hours or inform customers if delays occur. This keeps customers informed and reduces frustration. It's also important to train your team in handling customer service. If you have a team, ensure they are trained in communication and problem solving. Handling complaints professionally and empathetically helps leave customers satisfied. To ensure your support is effective, track and analyze customer feedback. Shopify's analytics can identify common issues and areas for improvement. Regularly review feedback to adjust your support strategy. Additionally, maintain a consistent tone across all communication. Whether replying by email or chatting live, ensure your responses reflect your brand's voice and values. This builds trust with your customers. Finally, go the extra mile by offering resources, like tutorials or guides to help customers solve their problems. This reduces the need for support and empowers customers to find solutions independently. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. Information may change over time, so always double-check details before making business decisions. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.